Okay, so it says the inequality is equivalent to which of the following inequalities? Kind of weird directions, but basically, you can just clean it up, right? We want to kind of get x alone by the looks of it, by our answer choices. So we can start to clean these up, the first step of which would be to distribute on both sides. So we'd have 6x plus 12 greater than 7x minus 35. And then I just kind of want to solve that for x. And so if you have x's on both sides of an inequality or an equation, you're going to minus however many x's or get rid of them from one side. So you can either minus 6x or minus 7x, but minusing 6 will keep us in the positive, right? So I'm going to minus 6x, making just 12 on this side. And then we have a single x left here, minus 35. And now I can just add 35 to both sides to get x alone. Okay, and then as far as matching up, I guess you can kind of see that it's E. If you wanted to reverse this, you could put X on this side and 47 on this side and just make sure that the mouth is still facing the 47. Just a reminder too, this was kind of like solving an inequality and it didn't come up in this question. But if you ever multiply or divide both sides by a negative, you got to change the direction of the inequality sign. It's going to flip directions. So that didn't happen here. But again, if you multiply or divide both sides by a negative, the sign switches. So if it was this way, it would switch to this way, right? Or vice versa, right? If let's say it was an equal to 1, if it was like this, it would switch to this if you multiply or divide by negative.